This is second part of BEDMAS and this is lesson number 8. We have discussed in lesson number 7 few questions regarding BEDMAS, how to solve the questions if you have different operations. Suppose if you have a bracket, exponent, division, multiplication, addition, subtractions in one question. So you have to follow the BEDMAS rule, right? We have discussed in this chapter number 7. Again, we are discussing few more questions in this lesson number 8, and again in this lesson you have to follow the BEDMAS rules. So I told you already in lesson number 7, but again I am explaining here that there are four kinds of brackets or parentheses. The first one is called the bar line. This is the bar line, and this is the small bracket. This is the medium bracket or curly bracket, and this is called the large bracket. When we will solve the problem, right, so we have to follow BEDMAS, and B stands for brackets, right, or parentheses. So there are four kinds of brackets. If you see in the question the brackets, so bar line, then you have to solve the small bracket, curly bracket, and large bracket, right? With the help of few examples, we will see. This is question number 1, and if you will see this question, you will think that it is difficult, but this is the easiest question, right? Just you have to follow the BEDMAS. So see in this question, this is the bar line, this is the small bracket and curly bracket, large bracket, and this is plus, minus, and multiplication. So almost all features of the BEDMAS here. Exponent is not here. In the next few lessons we will also learn the exponent. I will just explain to you actually what is exponent. If suppose it is 7 is square, right? If in this question you will see the square of some integer, then you, after BEDMAS, after brackets, you have to solve the exponent. This is called the exponent or power, but here we do not have the exponent. So let's get started. First thing, you have to see what kinds of parentheses or brackets you have. So you have all four in this question. This is the bar line, this is the small bracket. So first of all, we have to solve for the bar line. Very easy to solve the bar line, is easiest. What you have to do, just you have to see this bar line is on 5a plus 2a. It is on the top of 5b plus 2a. So see, only one sign or one operation is here. So you have to change the sign. If it is plus, it will be minus. If it is minus, it will be plus. Write down as it is. The question as it is, only change this sign. So this is gone. You have solved the bar line. See, so easy. If suppose this bar line is on the top of a whole line, so this plus will also change to minus, this plus will change to minus, but here we have only on the top of 5b plus 2a, so we will change only one sign. Then is the small brackets, this one. See, there is no sign between 2 and this parenthesis, so it means there is a sign of multiplication. You have to multiply, and when you have to multiply, your sign will be changed, right? So do not touch with this large bracket and medium bracket. If you will start from here 2 3 times 6 or 6 2 times 12, no, your answer will be wrong. Follow the BEDMAS. First is the bracket, and in bracket first is this bar line, and then this small bracket. So we are here. Write down as it is. Come here. See, in this is the 3a, and then this is the 2a. Both have the same basis. So we will bring these two together. 3a minus 2a. We are going to simplify what is inside this parenthesis, right? Suppose if this 3a is square and this is minus 2a, then I will not add it because it is suppose square and this is only a. But in this case, both have same base a and both have the same exponent or power, which is 1. This is 1. So it will be 3a minus 2a plus 5b, and then 3a minus 2b equal to a. This is the plus minus rule here. So we will write down a here, right? Now see, this is 2, you have to multiply minus 2 with a, so it will be minus 2a, and then minus this minus and this plus, it will be minus 10b, and this small bracket has also gone. We have solved it. Now come to this curly bracket. See, this curly bracket and 3, there is no sign between these two. It means again you have to multiply. So do not touch with this large bracket. Write down as it is. Come here, 3 2 times 6 minus 6a minus 30b. And now you have solved the curly bracket as well. Now come to 2. 2 6 times 12 minus 12a minus 60b. And if we will take minus 12 common from these two, so here will be only a, and this will be 5. 12 5 times 60, but this minus is now plus. Why? Because this minus and this minus is plus. So if you will follow the BEDMAS, your answer will always be right. Okay, one more question. Here see, we do not have the bar line, we do not have the large bracket, only we have the small bracket and medium bracket. So first you have to solve the small bracket. First we will see this is 2a plus 3b minus 4c. So we cannot simplify it further, write down as it is, but this is the minus sign, right? Minus sign, and there is no sign between this minus and parenthesis, so all these sign will change. It will be minus 2a minus 3b minus 4c, and then a small bracket. You have solved a small bracket. Now come to the curly bracket, right? So there is a minus sign here, minus 1. So if we multiply with 1, all numbers will remain the same, only the sign will change because this is minus, and we are going to multiply minus minus plus, plus 2a plus 3b plus 4c. Last question is, here is see large bracket, medium bracket, small bracket. So from where we will start? We will start from the small bracket. First you have to see if we can simplify here. No, we cannot simplify because this is a square, b square, c square, all are different. We cannot add it or subtract it because all are different. So this is the minus 1, then you have to multiply all this by minus 1. If you multiply all these number by 1, these will remain the same, but only the sign will change because this is minus. So it will be minus 3a square. This is minus, so it will be minus minus plus, plus 4b square and minus c square. So you have solved this small bracket. Now come to this curly bracket or medium bracket, and here is minus 2. So you have to multiply all these numbers by minus 2. Do not touch minus 3 and large. One by one we are coming. So minus minus plus 6a square, 4 times 8, 8b square plus 2c square. Now you have solved the curly bracket as well. Now you have to multiply this large bracket by minus 3. So 3 6 times 18 minus 18a square plus 24b square, 8 3 times 24, and 2 3 times 6. Right? So we can take minus 6 common from these numbers. So here minus 6, here will be 3a square minus 4b square plus c square. Right? So in this lesson we have completed all the rules of BEDMAS, how you have to solve the questions. If there are parentheses, addition, subtraction, multiplication, all features are here. But if still you have any question, please do not hesitate and write down in the comment section. I will try my best to solve it as soon as possible. But please do not forget to subscribe to my channel on YouTube, Saima Academy. Thank you.